Here's how Aaron Baker from ADI Leak Detection found and fixed a hidden water leak at a property in Longfield. Aaron Baker attended a property in Longfield to carry out a leak investigation. Acoustic listening equipment and tracer gas were used to trace the fault, and the leak was located and repaired. And here's what customer Claire East said. The whole experience from quotation to completion of the job was very satisfactory. Our engineer, Aaron Baker, was superb, very tidy, professional, explained everything that was going on, and completed the job successfully. He called prior to arrival to say what time he would arrive and communicated the day after to ensure there were no further leaks. He was very good and would use him again without hesitation. For leak detection in Longfield, call ADI Leak Detection on 0800 731 3843.